Hey, what's up guys? Rob here with Aloha Android, and today basically I have another Android 101 video for all those people interested in learning a little bit about Android. And so in this video I'm going to be talking about recovery. I'm going to be talking about the stock recovery in Android and a custom recovery and what's the difference between the two and what do they do. So let's start off with stock recovery, or basically recovery and what it does. So recovery is a hidden menu. The best way I can explain it for you guys to understand. It's a hidden menu on your Android device. So it's not accessible from settings. And basically how to access it is from a power off state. So it means your phone has to be completely off. There are several buttons you hold down until it boots up to that screen. Each manufacturer has it differently. So some of the sequences is volume down power button for 10 seconds. Other ones are volume up and the power button for 10 seconds. And even like Samsung, they have the volume up, home button, and power button. You hold it down until the recovery screen boots on. So those are some of the ways you guys can access recovery. Now from recovery, what you can basically do with recovery is you can wipe data and factory reset the phone. You can wipe the cache. You can connect with ADB. You can apply and update zip. So if there was like a software update for your phone and you were able to download the zip file from the internet, you would be able to update your Android device using that zip file on your SD card and then using the update .zip option in the stock recovery. So those are basically some of the things you can do in stock recovery. Now, custom recoveries, what's the difference? Well, first off, let's start off what a custom recovery is, and that's a developer-built recovery for a particular Android model. So yes, basically one type of recovery will not work on every Android device. They are specifically built for specific models or basically devices out there. There are all different types of recovery. There are recoveries from Clockwork Mod. There's recoveries from Team Win, a recovery project, or twerp. And even way back in the old days, there was recoveries like Agate's Recovery and Amen Ra, which were very popular back then. And so what do custom recoveries do? Well, to answer that, it does everything that a stock recovery does, but it has on some additional features added in by the developer. Some of those features include like flashing a custom ROM, because the Android stock recovery will not allow you to flash a custom ROM. It will not flash anything that's not signed or verified by Google. So with a custom recovery, you can flash a developer-built ROM. Another cool thing you can do with a custom recovery is back up your entire phone, the operating system, your saved data, everything's back it up in one whole big file. You know, in case you're doing some tweaking to your phone, like using exposed module or anything like that, and you happen to do something that puts your phone in a boot loop or a soft brick, you can use the custom recovery along with your backup to restore your phone back to a point where your phone was working great. Some other cool features that some custom recoveries have, but not all of them do have, is the ability to partition your micro SD card. And I will talk about that in a different video about what SD card partitioning is. But it allows you to do that so you wouldn't have to like take your SD card out and put it in a computer and use a different software to partition it. You can do it all from your phone. You can do it from recovery. So that's always a good thing when you can have it all in one place. Now, to get custom recovery on your phone, you're gonna have to have an unlocked bootloader. If your bootloader is locked down, you're not gonna be able to replace the recovery image and therefore applying a custom recovery to your smartphone. So you will need to have an unlocked bootloader to do so. You can always check out websites like XDA or Android forums to see if there is a custom recovery for your particular smartphone, for your particular model. If you are planning to root and to do some apply custom ROMs, which everyone loves, because custom ROMs are just, which will be for another video. I'll talk about custom ROMs. But anyways, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, let me know by dropping me a like. Subscribe to my channel if you have not, and hopefully I was able to explain this in the most layman terms way. Thanks for peeping my video, and you guys will see me in the next one.